Hey kids, this is the student interface of my CS First dashboard. I have signed in as a student, and when you sign in and you scroll down, you will see the classes that you are added in and the lesson name will be highlighted in blue color. So, children, we will continue to work on the project which we have created previously. Remember, I told you to name your project your name dash dialog. So, over here from the left side, you can click on the projects and continue to work on the same project. So these are all the, when you click on the project, you will see the projects that you have created so far. But your dashboard should have only one project, and that too your name dash dialog. Okay. If you see any of the extra projects like this, so click on these three standing dots and then click delete project, click yes delete. Okay. Your projects will get deleted. Your dashboard should have only one project. So open your final project. When you click on it, it opens in another tab. If you still have doubt in naming your project should have your name dash dialog written in front of it. Okay, so now if you remember in previous class, we wrote the dialog for the first sprite for this one. Now let us code today for the second sprite. So over here, see, my first sprite says, I'll just zoom in and I'll show you. My first sprite says, when flag is clicked, first sprite should say, hello, it is too dark, I'm scared. Can you help me, bunny? Now I want a conversation between these two. The bunny should say, yes, sure, I know everything about this place. So I will click on bunny, and to make this bunny say something, of course, once again from the events block, I will be using when flag click because I do not want my code to randomly start. Okay. When I click this green flag, then these two should start talking to each other. Okay. So now from the looks menu, I will use say for 2-second blocks. The bunny will say, yes, sure. Again, I'm clicking and dragging the same block, and then right over here, click over here and write, I know this place very well. Then, after this conversation, I want my sprite one again to say, let's go then. Okay, so I will pick up this and drop it over here, but shouldn't I give a wait signal before that? So click delete block, choose from the control menu the wait block. Yeah, so first of all, sprite 1 will talk, then the bunny will talk, which is my sprite 2, then again the sprite 1 will talk. Okay, now go to the looks menu and again use the same block, or you can use, if you want to end the conversation over here, you can use this say hello and change this hello to let's go then. Okay, now let us check what's happening. Okay, so click the flag and check. See, both are talking at the same time, but we don't want this, right? We want them to talk one after another. To fix this problem, we should add the wait block. So go to the control menu and there you will see wait block. Now, where to add the wait? First, our first sprite should talk. So when the flag is clicked, see here first sprite is selected. Now when the flag is clicked, all these three sentences will be spoken by first sprite. Then the second sprite should stop, right? So to second sprite, when should it start talking count? These are 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, 2, 4 and 6. So after 6 seconds, sprite 2 should talk. So click on the sprite 2, pick up this weight block and put it over here. So and make this one to 6. So after the 6 second, or you can change, it is better to keep it 6 only. So after the 6 second, the second sprite should say, yes, sure, I know this place very well. After Bunny is done talking, then again your first sprite should say, let's go then. Okay, so count these second. How many are these? 2 plus 2, 4. Then click on your sprite and make this weight change to 4. And now check your code again. Okay, check. See, he's saying hello. It is too dark. I'm scared. Can you help me, Bunny? Bunny says, yes, sure. I know this place very well. Let's go then. Perfect. This is working very well. Perfectly. So now go to the file and forget now to click this button. You should always save your project. And your work is done.